on, guys, welcome back to Real My Crypto. Hopefully you guys have had an amazing day or getting ready to start an amazing day today. So what I want to do is reiterate the fact of why Jasmy will go to $1. Guys, I don't want to sound like a broken record, but let's remember why we got into Jasmy. Now, this is not financial advice. This is just some healthy education. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. Check out the 10X squad. Let's go. Let's knock this video out in 10 minutes or less. Let's go. All right, guys, so with the bull run that is coming, right, we have to always understand, where do we stand with our investments? Where are our investments going? And why did we get into Jasmy in the first place, right? Because we've seen so much maximum potential within the project. I do not want you guys to fall victim of understanding that, okay, well, maybe we're not going to go past 2 cents. Well, I got some news for you. We're going to go way beyond 2 cents, and we're going to hit that $1 level. You guys have to believe that. You have to understand that, and let's talk about why that is fact. But before we get into that, let's go through the charts, and then let's talk about again the levels or the phases of each bull run and what they do. Okay, so we're going to go through some pretty critical information. We're going to talk through that so that you can understand how Jasmy is going to get to $1. Not only we're going to take that information from the bull run, but we're going to add in what is ahead for Jasmy. So let's go. Let's look at it. All right, guys, so I hope you can see this well. So this is the psychology of a market cycle. Now, why do I bring this up? Because everybody that's in the crypto space needs to know and needs to understand this, and a lot of people do bring this chart up. So I really wanted to talk you guys through it so you can understand where we're at essentially, and hopefully you guys could see that blue little dot that's roaming around there, because I wanted to point out some key areas of where we are. So guys, in relation to where Jasmy is, I believe Jasmy's seen this pump down, or this drop down already, right? Touch that, and I believe Jasmy, this is where Jasmy had gone from, you know, the 45004 then dropped down to that 004, and then everybody started buying in, and that took us to this area right here, which is basically where we're at, guys. I don't know if I could expand this, but really I'll try to do some editing and show you guys. But I believe we're already up in this disbelief phase, right? Because right now, what are we doing, guys? We're consolidating. Now we're consolidating in this area right here, and this is where everybody starts to grow impatient, but we're seeing Jasmy hit that dip. So right here in this little piece right here, in my opinion, was us going back down to that 1 cent level, and then obviously pushing back up into that 2 cent range, where, you know, so this is where I get the you know, the whole understanding of, you know, we can see if we push up a little bit higher, you know, where does that take us? I'm hoping this range is like 7 to 9 cents, and then, you know, your 10 to 20 cents, and then, you know, 20 to 30, and then this right here just gonna run up, and I believe we'll hit that $1 mark. I think we're gonna hit $1 around this level right here. So that would be the thrill phase. So currently this is where I believe we are, guys. We're in that disbelief stage, and we popped up to that 2 cent level, retraced down to that 1 cent, and now we're doing some consolidation, getting ready to go up to 3 cents, guys. And then we'll see Bitcoin do the same thing as we go into the Bitcoin halving. I think this is the time frame of the Bitcoin halving. Then you know, after that we'll start to see some climbs up. So, you know, this could take literally months to get through. So really, to get to this point could be half a year, it could be 6 months, could be 8 months, could be 2 months, could be whatever the case may be. But you have to understand that this is the area that we're currently in. So be patient, very patient. You guys got into Jasmy to win, and that's what's going to happen. We're going to win, and we're going to hit that $1 level right here, guys. And you'll know to take profits once we get to that $1 level, guys. So I'm super positive behind this. You know, I wouldn't, basically my reputation's on the line, right? I wouldn't be talking about it if I didn't think it was going to happen. So this is the stage. We're in disbelief. We're going, you know, we came from disbelief, and we're hovering in this hope area. We're going to go in the optimism when we see that 15 to 20 cents. And then, you know, we're going to believe that Jasmy's going to get to $1, and then we'll see it at $1, and then it'll probably go up something crazy, but everybody's going to be sold out. Everybody's going to be hopped out at this level right here, guaranteed. We'll lose a lot of people on the way up. That's how I feel. Then we'll go down into that bear market, and then we'll buy thousands and thousands and hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of Jasmy back over here at that low price again. So this will be about 2 to 3 years right here. So this is where we at. This is where we're at. And this is what I believe. Let me hop into this other slide. So this is something that's really helped me understand, kind of what, it reflects on what chart patterns look like. So, always understand there's a accumulation phase, which is consolidation. Now, this is like the telltale sign for you to start either buying, dollar cost averaging, stocking up on your bags, because when we see the price, and this is exactly what we've been seeing, guys, for the last, I don't know what, 3 weeks now. We've been seeing Jasmy go up and down, up and down, up and down in this area, but we know that it's going to blow out of that area. So this is the phase where it's like, buy more here, watch it go up, buy more here, watch it go up, buy more here, watch it go up, buy more here. Just follow those buy more patterns, guys. If you guys got, anything you could dollar cost average into the project, whenever you hit these buy here signals down here, down here, down here, down here, you're accumulating much, much more and adding to your bag. So maybe this is 3-4 months right here that you do the buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here. Where's that bag going to look like? Even if it's at 2 cents, even if it's at 1 cent, when it gets to 10 cents, it's going to be worth a hell of a lot more. So this is basically what I wanted to show you guys, is that we'll go through these accumulation phases. We're going to go through those pump phases, accumulation phases. And then all of a sudden, Bitcoin's going to take a big dump. Then Ethereum's going to take a big dump. Then your altcoins are going to be performing. Then they're going to take a big dump. And your meme coins are probably going to dump way before we even get to this level. So make sure you get the hell out of those meme coins as quick as you can. All right. So wanted you guys to understand that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. Guys, I love coming to CoinMarketCap because it's just so black and white. It's so easy to look at the cryptocurrencies, but honestly, you couldn't even trade. Like, this is like super hard. When you learn how to trade, your life becomes super miserable. I'm telling you guys. When you learn how to trade, I've been going through some crash courses on trading and learning technical analysis, and honestly, I feel stupider. It's honestly, this is the way it is. Like, you'll learn and then you feel like you got it, and then when you get into it, you start to play with it. It's like, what the hell am I doing? It's crazy, guys. You should definitely learn technical analysis. It's so much funner. Because you get to see, like, there's some simple indicators which we'll touch on. But right now, Jasmy sitting at 0.022, guys, with $1.1 billion market cap, 132 million worth of trading volume, so about 13% up from what we've been seeing from the past 24 hours. Not too shabby, guys. Look at that bag right there, 33,736 of Jasmy. So definitely, I believe in Jasmy. Current supply 49.2 billion. Jasmy total supply 50 billion. So we haven't seen the 100 billion come out, and we haven't seen that 1 billion lockup from, what is it, Binance that everybody's saying. So I don't know, guys. I haven't verified that, but if it is, it is. It's not too big for me to talk about. Anyway, so here's what I wanted to kind of give you guys the idea of what I was talking about. Sorry, got that cough, little cough. Not sick, but no cough. So here's what we're going through those dip phases right here. Obviously we've seen Jasmy low out. It's very ugly if we take it all time, obviously, because everything that happened with FTX or whatever it was associated with, I don't know. We're not here to talk about it because we're not talking about the past. We're talking about the future of Jasmy going to $1. So that's what I'm talking about. So right here, you see what that disbelief pump was. And then we seen consolidation trading in. You seen that little up. Remember I was telling you, buy here, buy at these lows, buy at these low areas, because this is basically printing out what we're looking at during an accumulation phase. So this is the daily for Jasmy. So like I was showing you guys, when you bring it in a lot closer, you get that bottom, then we saw that scribble out, and then boom, that disbelief phase, and then we roll into accumulation type phase. And that's kind of what I was showing you. So I brought in the chart. I don't know, it's not really, sorry guys, it's not really working how I wanted it to, because while this clear is not really clear, and I can't zoom in deeper than I wanted to, but you can get the gist of it, right? So you see us working into that disbelief area, and then that was kind of working into that downward disbelief, and then we see that pump up, and that's exactly what we saw. If we go back to the daily time frame, maybe it let's see if it paints a lot better picture. Somebody's like, drink some water, man. But you see the pump up, and then kind of that pattern right here. You got that up and then down, and then so you got that up and then down. The light kind of paints a little flag, right? So it paints a little flag. This is that low, guys, at that 1 cent level, and then that's kind of what we're seeing right here. So if this stands 100% accurate, we may by a possibility go back down to 1 cent, looking at what this chart is doing. But if it's playing out to a T, but I think it just is more of an example, but we'll see, guys. So I don't know, a lot of people are saying that we may see that dip again, because that really paints a really, you know, double bottom right there. But is that this right here? We already seen that double bottom, so you know, we've seen it twice, and then boom, that gives you your double bottom, and then maybe pull back to 2 cents again right here. Maybe it is extremely accurate, right? So you got those two big candles going down right there, and that kind of shows what's going on right there. So maybe accurate, I don't know, we'll see how it goes in the future. Guys, it looks like we ran over significantly past 10 minutes, but you know, I really wanted to try to get as much information as I could for you guys, just to understand like what we could look forward to with Jasmy, why we invested in Jasmy. And it's not me just blowing smoke up your behind. You know, I really wanted to show you guys some understanding of the market cycle, understanding, looking at the charts and how they reflected. So we're at the beginning, guys. We're at the beginning, and we're at 2 cents, $1 billion, 2 cents at the very bottom of this bull run, guys. So you've seen the massive amount of upside potential that we have with this bull market ahead of us, guys. So you guys got in Jasmy for a reason. Don't let that go. $50 billion market cap is coming. We have lockups, carbon, the carbon credits. We got exchange lockups. We got utility utilization for Jasmy token coming. So there's a lot to be excited about, in my opinion. So take that for what it's worth, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. And I'll keep you guys up to date with Jasmy going forward. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Take care. Be blessed.